Nĩ mũcemanio wa Onjoria aigithia na ũtongoria wa mbunge ya bũrũri kũrĩa Onjoria marutĩte woni wao wĩgiĩ thirikari na mũrigo ũrĩa ũkuithĩtio AKENYA. Ngwatanĩro ya Onjoria KEPSA ĩtongoretio nĩ mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene wa KEPSA VIMAL SHAH ĩkiuga thirikari nĩ ĩkuithĩtie AKENYA mũrigo mũnene ũndũ ũrĩa ũkoretwo ũkĩmahinyĩrĩria.
The current size of government is not sustainable because when we look at the pie size means the GDP of the economy is not growing 3, 4, 5 times. But we are governing it with 47 counties. So we've got 47 de facto presidents running the country. And the pie is not becoming bigger. All of them are trying to say, let's get more from the taxes. Now, who's paying the taxes? It's the wananchi paying the taxes, the business paying the taxes. And those taxes are not growing exponentially.
SHAH kĩoya kanya gaka kuga thirikari nĩ yagĩrĩirwo kũnina kana kũnyitithania honge imwe ciao nĩguo kwehereria AKENYA mũrigo ũyũ.
There are two solutions. One, pay 2-3 times more tax, or we reduce the size of government. Unless we reduce the size of government, which means county governments, all that stuff, contract it, make it smaller, and link them to growing GDP, growing number of jobs. Their pay should be linked to how many jobs did you create, how much GDP did you improve, and what productivity did we get here. Unless we do this, this model of ours is not sustainable.
Mwena-inĩ wake mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene wa KEPSA Kariuki akiuga thirikari nĩ yagĩrĩirwo kũrutithia wĩra mawatho marĩa gathĩkĩte ma Onjoria nĩguo kũhotithia gũkũra gwa ũtonga wa bũrũri.
Kenya is the 6th largest economy in Africa. What will it take for us to be number 1 or at least top 3? And that's why our theme this year for the Speakers Roundtable is policy to practice. Can we move from the policies we've created that are so excellent to move this country forward to practice? Can we implement them so that now we can get Kenya to where it is? You've heard, we all talk about our macros, our interest rate, our shilling, everything is stable. That's the macro. But when we get to the ground, the common wananchi, the wanjiku, the SME, the companies, even the big companies, they're still saying there's a pinch. So where is it hurting? Why is the policy not translating to practice? And that's what we are trying to address today.
Nĩ maugĩte thirikari nĩ yagĩrĩirwo gũtigĩrĩra rĩera rĩa Onjoria nĩ rĩagacĩra nĩguo igithia mahote kũruta wĩra. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mathew Ndung'u wa Mbũgua.